If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 35. In this lesson we will learn علامات الفعل المضارع, the signs of present and future tense. علامات, the signs of فعل المضارع, present and future tense. علامات المضارع, the signs of present and future tense are 4. Ya, ta, alif, noon. They will be added to the beginning of the verb. So they are ya, ta, alif, and noon. When they come, this indicates or shows that this is فعل مضارع. This is present and future tense. For example, فعل, he did. فعل, he did. This is past tense. يفعل, he does or he will do. This is future tense. يفعل, he does or he will do. The ya at the beginning shows this is علامة المضارع, the sign of present and future tense, that this is فعل مضارع. يفعل is فعل مضارع. فعلت, you did, is past tense. فعلت, you did. تفعل, you do or you will do. This is future tense. تفعل, you do or you will do. The ta in the beginning shows that this is علامة المضارع, the sign of present and future tense. So تفعل is future tense. فعلت, I did. This is past tense. فعلت, I did. أفعل, I do or I will do. This is future tense. أفعل, I do or I will do. So this alif indicates that this is future tense. So alif is علامات المضارع, the sign of present and future tense. فعلنا, we did. This is past tense. فعلنا, we did. نفعل, we do or we will do. نفعل, we do or we will do. This is future tense. How do we know? Because of the noon. This noon shows this is future tense. This is فعل مضارع, and the noon is علامة المضارع, the sign of present and future tense. So let's see the sighas. مذكر غائب, masculine third person. The person you are speaking about is male. يفعل, he does or he will do, is واحد, one person. يفعلان, they both do or they both will do, is تثنية, two persons. يفعلون, they all do or they all will do, is جمع, more than two persons. So the ya in يفعلوا and ya in يفعلان and ya in يفعلون, they all shows this is علامة المضارع, the sign of present and future tense. So these all are فعل مضارع. مؤنث غائب, feminine third person. The person you are speaking about is female. تفعل, she does or she will do, is واحد, one female. تفعلان, they both do or they both will do, تثنية, two females. يفعلن, they all do or they all will do, is جمع, more than two female. So the ta in تفعل and the ta in تفعلان and the ya in يفعلن, this indicates or shows علامة المضارع. This is the sign of present and future tense. So these all are فعل مضارع. مذكر حاضر, masculine second person. The person you are speaking to is male. تفعل, you do or you will do, is واحد, one person. تفعلان, you both do or you both will do, is تثنية, two persons. تفعلون, you all do or you all will do, is جمع, more than two persons. تا in تفعلوا and تا in تفعلان and تا in تفعلون shows that this is علامة مضارع, the sign of present and future tense. This makes that فعل مضارع, present and future tense. مؤنث حاضر, feminine second person. The person you are speaking to is female. تفعلين, you do or you will do, is واحد, one female. تفعلani, you both do or you both will do. Tathniya, two females. تفعلنا, you all do or you all will do, is jama', more than two female. So this ta in taf'alina and ta in taf'alani and ta in taf'alna, these are alamatul madari, the sign of present and future tense. This indicates this is fi'l madari. This is future tense verb. Mudhakkar wa muannas mutakallim, masculine and feminine first person. The person who is speaking could be male or female. Af'alu, I do or I will do, is wahid, one person, could be male or female. Naf'alu, we do or we will do, is jama'a, more than one person, could be male or female. So the alif in af'alu and the noon in naf'alu, these are alamatul madari, the signs of present and future tense. So af'alu and naf'alu are fi'l madari, future tense verb. So let's see in the Quran. الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون. Those who make with Allah other deity, so soon they are going to know. الذين, those, يجعلون, who make, مع الله, with Allah, إلها آخر, other deity, فسوف, so soon, يعلمون, they are going to know or they will know. So يجعلون and يعلمون are on the wazn of يفعلون. يجعلون and يعلمون are on the wazn of يفعلون. So يجعلون came from the word جعل. This is past tense, he made. جعل, he made, and future tense is يجعل, he makes or he will make. يجعل, he makes or he will make. And the jama sigha is يجعلون, they all make or they all will make. يجعلون. And يعلمون came from the word alima. This is the past tense. Alima, he knew. Alima, he knew. And the future tense is يعلم, he will know or he knows. He will know or he knows. يعلم, this is future tense. And the jama is يعلمون, they all will know. يعلمون, they all will know. فسوف يعلمون, soon they all are going to know. الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون. Those who make with Allah other deity, so soon they are going to know. ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يأكل مما تأكلون منه. This is nothing, yani this man is nothing but a human being like you. He eats from what you eat from. ما هذا, this is nothing, yani this man is nothing. إلا but basharun, a human being. مثلكم, like you. يأكل, he eats. مما, from what. تأكلون, you eat. منه, from it. So يأكل is on the wazn of يفعل, and تأكلون is on the wazn of تفعلون. And يأكل came from the word أكل. This is past tense. أكل, he ate. And the future tense is يأكل, he eats or he will eat. And تأكلون came from the word أكل, he ate. This is past tense. أكل, he ate. And the future tense is تأكل, you eat. And the jama is تأكلون, you all eat. تأكلون, you all eat. ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يأكل مما تأكلون منه. This man is nothing but a human being like you. He eats from what you eat from. وَيَشْرَبُ مِمَّا تَشْرَبُونَ. And he drinks from what you drink. وَيَشْرَبُ, he drinks. مِمَّا, from what. تَشْرَبُونَ, you drink. So يَشْرَبُ is on the wazn of يَفْعَلُ. And تَشْرَبُونَ is on the wazn of تَفْعَلُونَ. يشرب came from the word shariba. This is past tense. Shariba, he drank. And the future tense or madare is he drinks or he will drink. And tashrabuna came from word shariba, past tense, he drank. And the future tense or fi'l madare is tashrabu, you drink or you will drink. And the Jama Sigha is tashrabuna, you all drink. Tashrabuna, you all drink. وَيَشْرَبُ مِمَّا تَشْرَبُونَ, and he drinks from what you drink.
This is it for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.